Hey friends, it's Brenda. I'm going to show you how to face paint this yummy ice cream. If you want to see the fast demo, just skip to minute 2:55. And for this design, you're going to need light pink and dark pink, or whatever color you want to use, white, yellow, and orange, a number 12 filbert brush, and a number 1 round brush. Load up your filbert brush with yellow. And we're going to make a triangle for the cone. So it's a V, and then you fill in the middle. And for this design, I'm going to use my split rainbow cake here, but if you don't have that, you can just put your colors side by side and load up your filbert brush that way. But I'm going to use this right here, so I'm just loading it up same way. And you're going to make a series of little kind of S curves. So it's you push down and you whip it around. And you do that again, same kind of movement. For my last one, it's more of a teardrop. But you can also do another S curve. Load up your number 1 round brush in orange. And you're just going to outline the cone and give it some hash tags here. Hash marks. And now load up your number 1 brush in a dark pink, any dark color really, and we're going to outline the ice cream itself. You can also not do this part, it'll look great without the outlining. It's up to you. And then after this, rinse out your brush. And you can outline the whole thing in white if you want to, also optional. And then using your same number 1 round brush, give it some highlights. I actually should have done the highlight on the cone on the other side, but sometimes in face painting you lay down a line and that's where it's going to stay. And I'm just giving it some embellishments, some teardrops here and a couple swirls. Few more teardrops here, and then I felt like it should have some stars in this open area, and you can add whatever you want. You can put hearts, you can put dots, you can put more swirls and more teardrops. It's really up to you. All right, now is the fast demo for anyone who just wants to see the process. If you've enjoyed this video, or if you have something else to share, just leave it down in the comments down below. Also, follow me on Instagram at FacePaintFriends. I would love to see your version of this ice cream, and do all the things. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.